Oh, hi, good evening. My name is Jeremiah. I'm a mechatronics engineering student, and I'm here to teach how to run code on your Arduino Uno. This is our Arduino Uno. It's already connected to my laptop, and I will be running a code. This is my LED. This is my LED, and if you check, it has long side and short side. The long side is the positive, that is the GND. If you are connecting it, it will go for the GND, that is GND, and the short side will go for the ohms, that is 220 ohms, that is it will give you 5 volts. So you will now connect it. If you connect it this side, if you connect it this side, it will on like this, that is the LED is working. So before you run your code, you will come here, that is the long side will go for the GND here, and the short side will go for the number 13. If you check where you see it. So let me connect it. 1 2 3 4. Okay, it shows, I see a blink, it shows that it has connected. So and this button here, that is to rerun the code. So now for you to the app you will use to run your code on your system, that is the Arduino IDE. That is the Arduino IDE. This is Arduino IDE. So I'll be launching it now. So this is the logo, Arduino IDE. So I'll be running a simple code. That is, I'll be running a simple code on this. So that this LED, light emitting diode, LED is light emitting diode. This LED now can run on and off every second. That is the code I'm going to run. So this is our thing. And for you to set your, though I've already set my Arduino IDE up. So if you connect it, you go to tools, that is in setting up. Now here it will update automatically if your IDE is connected. I hope you can see. If your IDE is connected, you will now come here, this Arduino board. Mine it's selected Arduino Uno automatically. So this will show you that yes, your Arduino is connected successfully, and this port I'm coming. Yeah, in most time you choose the highest com. Like if some people use com6, it depends on your Arduino your Arduino com. Some people choose com6. Maybe mine is com7. So if you use com6, if the code did not run, you can use com7. Like mine is com7. That is the only setup you need. So after that, you write your code. If you write your code, you come back here. If you come back here, hope you can see. If you come back here, you verify your code. Look at verify. That is verify. You verify your code. If you verify your code, you come down and check compiling sketch. It's still compiling. I'm not running the code. It has compiled. Done compiling. So it does not show any error. It shows that the code is correct. So now I'll be running the code. This is where you run the code. You load it. In loading it now, look at it loading. And when it's loading, that is the second light of the Arduino. It will start blinking. So it will start blinking. Done uploading. So it has, let's say I work now. We'll check now. Like you see now, it's blinking every 1 second. So now let me make it 5 seconds. I'm coming. So this is our code. As you can see, let me, that's 1000 milliseconds. This 1000 represent millisecond, so I'll make it 5000 milliseconds. In 5000 milliseconds, that will make it 5 seconds, I think so. Yes, 5 seconds. I'm coming. I'll send it to 5. If you check, this place is highlight on what we did here. If you are familiar with coding, you understand. Here is highlight. This 1000 milliseconds, that is 1 second. That is here explain the code that we run here. Even though like the whole code here, I'm coming, the whole code here, that is the whole code, the whole stuff here. If I delete it, the program will still run, because here is just to explain, simplifying this code. So let me run it now. Maybe you can verify. Once I verify, there's no error. If you check when, there's no error, so I will run the code. Let's just wait for it to compile. It's loading. Done loading. Let's check now. It's on right now. Off. If you count from 1 to 5 seconds, it will on again. If you count from 1 to 5 seconds, it will off again. So we see the other time it's faster, but now it's slower. So let's make it half a second. Let's make it half a second right now. That is half a second. I'm coming. Let's make it half a second. That is 100 watts, 100 milliamps. 100 milliseconds. 100 milliseconds. I'll verify the code. Let's verify. I see, and don't compiling, no error. I'll run the code. Uploading, done uploading. Look at it. It's very faster right now. This one is more faster. So let's reduce it to 10 milli. This one that is running right now is 100 milliseconds. So I'll make it 10 milliseconds. Let's see how faster. So it's running on. Okay. Downloading. Like right now, it's very fast. It's very fast that you cannot notice. Like, I guess you can see it's very fast in a way that you cannot notice. Let's make this 10:5. So that we can notice it. Okay, 5. Maybe let's run it. That is 50 milliseconds. Okay, done uploading. Yeah, done uploading. This one we can notice it. We can notice the on and off. Yeah, so it's very simple in running code on Arduino. So like if you connect it, like now, if you check, I'm running on COM7. So that's how it's been done. So, and if you have any question, you can come to my DM. I will help you out. And if you have any code to run, even C++, Python, you can come to my DM. I'll be there. And if you check, finally, let me stop the code, or let me explain this. Here, it's not all this stuff that is working. Like, though the code is running right now. Let me show you something. Like, you see here, it's blinking. The code is running. I'm coming. Let me show you something. You see here, you can. Many people make mistake by connecting it here and running the code. They'll think the code is not correct. The code is correct, but if you connect it here, that is the 5 volt, that is 220 ohms, and this GND, it won't run. It won't run here. Here is just this thing, just to show that the LED is working, or yeah, to show that the LED is working, not to run the code. To run the code, that is, you will come here, you look for 13 and this thing and GND, that is 13 and GND, that is the long hand. Sorry, the long hand will go for the 13. Hope you can see, I'm coming. The long hand will go for the 13. Look at the long hand, will go for the 13, and the short hand will go for the GND. You see, the code is still running, but when I put it here, it did not work. So that is how it is. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like this video, give a follow.